now we will study about the importance of entrepreneurship. As we all know, in a developing country, the entrepreneurs plays a very important role to develop a country's economy by setting up a new industries, using its creativity to develop a new product and to minimize the cost of that product so that the product is easily available in the market to the people so that they can consume it and they can fulfill their needs. So in today's video we will study in detail the importance of entrepreneur. Okay, the importance of entrepreneurship. But before studying this, let me give an further a few knowledge about entrepreneurship, why it is important. See, as we are working right now, okay, and a person is sitting there, he knows that what he wants to do, how he wants to set up a new industry. He has already located the place from where he can start up a new business. He knows how to manufacture a new product at the minimum cost so that the maximum output can be produced with the minimum cost, and the product is easily available to the consumer at the cheapest price so that every consumer who wants to buy that product, he can easily buy that product. So now we will study in detail one different importance of entrepreneurship. First, basis of economic development of nation. हमारे नेशन को डेवलप करने का सबसे बड़ा मोटिव क्या होता है? एंटरप्रेन्योर होता है. ठीक है. So whenever we talk about entrepreneurship, the entrepreneur is the person who develop a nation. By how come? By setting up a new industries, by using the resources which are available for us, to use that resources to convert that resource into finished good so that the product can be easily sold to the consumer. So what does it do? It all because what happens when you are giving a product to a consumer at the minimum cost, he is consuming it. You are doing what? You are developing the economy of a country by providing all the necessary resources to all the people who are living there. So what does it happen? It is a basic fundamental unit for the economic development of nation. वो लोग नए नए प्रोडक्ट्स लेके आते हैं, नई टेक्निक यूज करते हैं, नए नए माइंड मेकअप करते हैं, नए नए सेटअप इंडस्ट्री सेटअप करते हैं जहाँ पे वो जितने भी रिसोर्स उनके पास अवेलेबल हैं, जो नहीं है वो वहाँ ला के वो उन रिसोर्सेज को उनसे एक नया प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म करते हैं जो कि लोगों को इजीली प्रोवाइड होते हैं. इट हैज टू एस्टैब्लिशमेंट न्यू रिलेशनशिप. लोगों के बीच में और कंज्यूमर्स के बीच में एक नया रिलेशनशिप सेटअप करने का काम करते हैं. उससे क्या होता है कि अगर कोई इंसान कोई चीज प्रोडक्ट चाहिए तो वो जब नया प्रोडक्ट बना रहा होता है तो वो क्या करते हैं कि जो अगर उसको एक नया प्रोडक्ट सेम प्रोडक्ट है बट चीपर कॉस्ट में मिल रहा है बट नाम ब्रांड अलग है, अगर चीजें दोनों सेम ही चीज कर रहे हैं और वो चीपर अवेलेबल है तो वो एक कंज्यूमर और एक इंडस्ट्री के बीच में रिलेशनशिप सेटअप करते हैं जिससे कि कंज्यूमर को उसके ब्रांड उसके प्रोडक्ट पे ट्रस्ट हो, जिससे कि इजीली कभी उनको फ्यूचर में यूज करना हो और उनको लगे कि नहीं हमारा प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है, चीपर भी है और क्वालिटी वाइज भी अच्छा है, देन द कंज्यूमर विल गो फॉर दैट प्रोडक्ट ओनली. सो बेसिकली इट इज व्हाट इट इज बेसिकली अ सेटिंग अप अ रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन अ कंज्यूमर एंड अ प्रोड्यूसर who is producing the good at the minimum cost by utilizing all the resources which is available to him and providing the consumer with the minimum cost so that he can easily buy that product. Next, contribution of development or an expansion of existing enterprise. कई बार क्या होता है enterprise already set up होती है but we want to elaborate it or we want to expand it. So what we can do, expansion and of an existing enterprise or development of the existing enterprise is totally in the hand of the entrepreneur. वो ये इंसान होता है कि जो अपने बिजनेस इंडस्ट्रीज को एक्सपेंड करने की कोशिश करता है. So students, we were studying that contribution of development. So I was teaching you that whenever existing entrepreneurship is there and entrepreneurs there who want to develop that or expand that business to every part of the world, or he want to make it from small scale industry to a large scale industry or on a big unit. He is innovative, his techniques, his ideas these are the certain things by which he can expand the business, and whatever he will do, he will require a large amount of people to work for that. So because of that, what will happen, the employment opportunity will be get generated, and if the people will be get more employed, then what will happen, the economy of the country will become developed. Next, help in developing a new products and techniques. इसमें क्या होता है, whenever we are having the same product, we are making a product and we are doing it for a long, since last 4 5 years back. Okay, so now what we can do, we can innovate, we can with the available resources we can make a new product, or by the new techniques we can make a new product with a different quantity or quality which we are making right now, or if we want to upgrade the quality of that product, we can do it with the help of the latest technique which is available to us. So that new product formation, new technique development, this all is the work of an entrepreneur. So what does he do, he thinks, or work on it, how we can make a new product with the available resources which we have, plus whatever things are required in that, he will avail the resources to the particular place only, and he will bring new technology, new machinery to make the product well equipped, and to start the making the product which is helpful for them. Now students, we will study about the fifth point, that is opportunity to exploit full human potential. Whenever an entrepreneur works, he uses all skills, all techniques, all innovative ideas and put up in the business so that he can run the business successfully. And if he put each and everything, whatever happens will be good, great for him, because he is using his all potential, all ability, all skills to provide the best thing to the people. And with this, what happens he can do, he can hire a person who is well qualified, well employed, who has a great skills or innovative skill, or who can be adjust according to the environment. He will hire those persons. Those persons will help the entrepreneur to exploit all the resources, or to use all the resources and use their skills to the best level, so that the entrepreneur can run the business successfully. Next, it creates an employment opportunity. Whenever an entrepreneur wants to expand his business, he has to hire a new employees for the company, so that he can use the maximum people to do the work. And because of it, what will happen, इससे क्या होगा कि लोगों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिलेगी. इफ पीपल विल बी गेट एम्प्लॉयड, देन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सोसाइटी विल बी रेज्ड, द लिविंग ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ पीपल विल रेज, बिकॉज दे आर अर्निंग समथिंग. If they are earning something, they will spend on their basic necessity, and as soon as they will spend on their basic necessity, what will happen, the people will the society or the economic development will be done. So when an entrepreneur wants to expand his business to a scale, he has to hire a number of people by which he can expand, by which he can complete the task of expansion, and allowing more people to come to join the company, so that the best people can get selected and his skills and techniques can be used for the expansion of business or fulfillment of the business requirement. Next, it promotes capital formation. Or how can he can do, if he knows that yes, we are doing a great job, we are using our skills to the potential level which we can do, we are using the resources to the greatest extent. Now what we want to do, now we want to expand our business. We can expand our business by involving more capital in it, and more capital can be done either by asking the people to give the capital in the forms of share and debentures, or they can ask the bank to provide the loan. These both things can be done. Expansion of business can totally be done by the two things, either by asking money from the people in the form of shares and debentures, or by asking the people money from the bank, so that they can expand. So these both things are very important or very essential for the expansion of business, because whatever he has earned, he has to keep it safe for the future. अगर कुछ नहीं हो पाता, अगर एक्सपेंड नहीं हो पाता, एक्सपेंड हो भी जाता है और प्रॉपर नहीं चल पाता बिजनेस, तो उसको लॉस हो सकता है, तो उसके पास रीपेमेंट का एक ऑप्शन होना चाहिए. इसलिए he will not use each and every resources whatever he has saved in the past. He will ask the people to give the money in the form of shares and debentures of the government banks or the private bank to provide the fund so that he can use that resources in the form of capital and they can expand the business. Balanced economic development. Whenever he provides an employment to the people, what he is doing, he is economic developing the country. He is developing society. He is providing the employment to the people by which they will earn some money. By earning some money, they will fulfill their basic needs or the necessary needs which is necessary for them. And if that will happen, the development will be increased. Unemployment will be get decreased because more people are getting employed as per the expansion of the business, and because of that the economic development will be there in the country. Next, help in executing the government policies and plans. जो गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसीज और गवर्नमेंट के प्लान्स है उनको एग्जीक्यूट करना, उनके अकॉर्डिंग काम करना, उन गवर्नमेंट की हेल्प करना, उनका जो मोटिव है वो साथ लेके चलना। अगर इस तरीके से चलते हैं तो गवर्नमेंट भी अपने को फाइनेंशियली नहीं तो किसी ना किसी तरीके से हेल्प कर सकती है टू एक्सपेंड अवर बिजनेस। सो इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अस टू work according to the policies of the government and the plans of the government which government has formed, according to which we have to run the business. हाँ, social change. जब आप किसी को एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोवाइड कराओगे तो सोसाइटी में उसकी बेसिक नीड्स की नेसेसिटी बढ़ेगी। जब उसकी नेसेसिटी बढ़ेगी तब वो और भी ढंग से काम करेगा। जब उसको और ढंग से काम करेगा तो उसकी जो बेसिक नीड्स है वो फुलफिल होगी। उस कारण सोसाइटी में चेंजेस आएंगे, सोशल चेंजेस आएंगे। एनकरेज टू रिसर्च एंड इन्वेस्टिगेशन। जब आप कोई भी अपना एक्सपेंशन बिजनेस एक्सपेंड की बात करते हो तो आप लोग पहले सब सर्वे करते हो, सब सर्च करते हो कहाँ कहाँ से हमें और अच्छी चीज़ें मिल सकती है, किस तरीके से हम नई टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ कर सकते हैं। तो ये सब किसका काम हो गया? रिसर्च एंड इन्वेस्टिगेशन का पार्ट हो गया। आपको बेस्ट चीज़ें कहाँ से मिलेगी, आप इन चीज़ों का बेस्ट यूज़ कहाँ कैसे कर सकते हो, क्या क्या रिसोर्सेज आपको और चाहिए, किस क्वांटिटी में चाहिए, किस प्राइस पे आपको वो मिल रहे हैं, तो वो सब रिसर्च करना, इन्वेस्टिगेशन करना और उसके बाद अपना वर्क एक्सपेंड करना, ये कुछ इंपॉर्टेंस है जो कि एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में जरूरी होती है, या एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में ये सब चीज़ें जरूरी होती है। इसके बिना एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप प्रॉपर तरीके से वर्कआउट नहीं कर सकते।